Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at Walgreens and I'm not doing much at Walgreens now because I am taking part of the beauty event. So I'm just going to do a couple of deals, show you guys a couple of deals, and then save some register rewards for my beauty event. That's the main point of last week's haul. So last week, basically, I was changing points into register rewards. I have about like 8,000 points. I have like no points, but I do have this right here that I want to use in store really quickly. So I'm going to use this on a certain deal. So let's go inside and let me show you the deals. So the first deal is going to be on the Old Spice Fiji body spray. So these are on a great promotion this week for buy two, get a $5 register reward. And they're on sale this week too for $10. So you're going to use two of the $2 off one coupons from our March P&G. Remember guys, those coupons are a limit of 2. Making a total $6, but you're going to get back a $5 register reward. So it works out to be $1 for both of them or 50 cents each. Now I do have this $5 in-store register reward. So you actually do not need a filler item to use this because it is a store coupon. So check out at the end when I discuss all my deals. I'll have the full breakdown on how that deal worked out with that $5 register reward. Now as you see the barcode there, it is really light. So I'm scared it doesn't scan, but let's see what they're going to do at the register for me. So now let's jump into the next deal. Crest toothpaste is on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $3 register reward. And they're on sale this week for $3.99. So you're going to pick up two of them for $7.98. You're going to use two of the $2 off one coupons from our March P&G, making the total $3.98. But you're going to get back a $3 register reward. So it works out to 98 cents for both of them or 49 cents each. Colgate toothpaste is on a promotion this week for buy two, get a $4 register reward, and they're on sale for $3.99. So you're going to pick up two of them for $7.98. We have a $2 off one digital coupon as well as a 50-cent off digital coupon. So make sure you send those to your account before you go shopping, making the total $5.48, but you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So it works out to $1.48 for both of them or 74 cents each. Purex laundry detergent as well as Purex crystals are on sale this week for $1.99. We have a $1 off digital coupon, so make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. And that digital is for the liquid or the Purex crystals. Now we do have insert coupons, so you can use $1 off for the Purex liquid or $1 off for the Purex crystals from our 3-1 RMN, making the total just 99 cents for each of them. Scott toilet paper as well as Scott paper towels are always priced at $5. Now we have $1 off digital coupon, or on scottbrand.com we have $1 off coupons or maybe 50-cent coupons. It depends on what yours has. Also, we have an IBC booklet coupon for $1.25. So if you were to pick up both products, use the IBC booklet coupon, the total works out to $2.75 for each of them. Whole Blends this week is on sale too for $7. You're going to use the 4 for 2 digital coupon or the one from our 3-1 RMN. We also have $1 off IBC booklet coupon, so the cashier will only have to scan that once and it'll come off of both of them. So it basically makes them $1 for both of them or 50 cents each after that 4 for 2 coupon and the $1 IBC booklet coupon. Orbit gum is on sale this week too for $2. We have a $1.35 off 2 digital coupons, so make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping, making the total 65 cents for both of them or 32 cents each. Hey guys, so I'm back from Walgreens and hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips of the deals. Now I did a total of 5 different transactions. So I'm only starting the week with 8,341 points, but I do have a lot of register rewards from last week. So in last week's video, you saw what I ended with on my last haul for Walgreens, and I did roll some of the register rewards into the 4th transaction. So again, only starting with 8,341 points. So the first deal I did was on the Old Spice right here, and I picked up the VG deodorant. This is like the body spray right there. Okay, so first transaction, I started with that $5 in register reward store coupon that we were getting last week for, I believe it was spend 20, get a $5 register reward or something along those lines. But that counts as a store coupon, so you don't need an item to attach to that because it's a store coupon register reward. So I basically picked up 2 of them for $10. They're on sale 2 for $10. And when you buy 2 this week, you get a $5 register reward. I used two $2 off 1 coupons from our March P&G, making the total $6. Then I used that $5 register reward store coupon. My total was $1 out of pocket, and I got back a $5 register reward. Okay, so let me show you the receipt for that. So here goes my receipt. She had to price modify the Old Spice because that $5 register reward, the barcode was really, really light and it wasn't scanning. So what she did is price modify the Old Spice for me, taking off $5. So she charged me $5 for both of them, making it $2.50 a piece. Again, because my $5 register reward, as you guys seen in last week's video, the barcode was really light and she couldn't scan it. So I used 2 $2 coupons from the March P&G. My subtotal was $1. I had a tax of 35 cents, so it made this $1.35, and I got back the $5 in register rewards for that. Now for my second transaction, I picked up the Crest, and I did roll some points to make it into a register reward. So Crest toothpaste, $3.99 each. When you buy 2 this week, you get a $3 register reward. So both of them turned out to be $7.98. That's the total before coupons. I used 2 of the $2 off coupons from our March P&G, making it $3.98. And I had a tax of 56 cents, making it $4.54. I rolled 4,000 points into this because you can use points because it's a buy deal and we're getting back a register reward. So my total worked out to 54 cents and I got back a $3 register reward. So let me show you the receipt for that. Okay, so as you see here, the 2 Crest, $7.98. I used those 2 manufacturer coupons from our March P&G. Subtotal $3.98. I had a tax of 56 cents, making it $4.54. I rolled 4,000 points into this, making my total 54 cents. And I got back that $3 in register rewards. Now for my third transaction, hold on one second. Okay, so for my third transaction, I did the Colgate deal. So I did these all in separate transactions because of the points that I had. I only had 8,000 points, and we know we cannot redeem 8,000 points in one transaction. It's either 3, 4, 5, or 10. Okay, so I picked up the Colgate Total. These are on sale as well for $3.99. And when you buy 2 this week, you get a $4 register reward. So I picked up 2 of them for $7.98. That's the total before coupons. I used the $2 off and the 50-cent off Colgate digital coupon. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. My total worked out to $5.48. And I had a tax of 56 cents, making it $6.04. I only had 4,000 points to roll into this, making my total $2.04, but I got back a $4 register reward. So I'm going to show you that really quickly. Okay. So there goes the Colgate right there. Both of them priced at $7.98, $3.99 each. I used that $2 digital coupon, the 50-cent digital coupon, making the subtotal $5.48. I had a tax of 56 cents, making it $6.04. I only rolled 4,000 points into this, and I got back the $4 in register rewards. So look at where my points are sitting at right now, 451 points. So I am point poor, but I do have register rewards that I'm going to use for the beauty event. Now, what I did in my 4th transaction is I got the $3 register reward from the Crest and the $4 register reward for the Colgate, and I rolled it into my 4th transaction along with a $4 register reward that I had from last week. So now let's look at the 4th transaction. Okay, so this is everything I picked up in my 4th transaction. I didn't use any digital coupons. I used all paper coupons. So the Scott coupons I got from scottbrand.com, and it did print $1 off one, so I was super excited about that. But we do have digital coupons. We actually have digital coupons for everything you see here. So if you wanted to pick up one of the paper towels, we have $1 for the paper towels and $1 for the toilet paper. So if you wanted to do that, like an all digital deal, you definitely can. Because we have $1 for the Purex crystals. We have $1 digital coupon for the Purex liquid. We have a 4 off of 2 for the whole blends. Now there is a coupon for the Orbit gum, $1.35 off 2, but I didn't use it in this transaction. And then the Starburst, I really didn't need it because I didn't need any filler items after the Orbit gum, but my daughter wanted some Starburst, so I just added it in there. You know, they're always trying to just spend our money, but it did turn out well, so that didn't really break the bank, me getting the Starburst. And then this Revlon Kiss Bomb is going to be the 5th transaction. So for this transaction in my account, I had that spend 15, get 3,000 points that's been sitting there forever. And with this transaction, I did not use points. I just rolled 3 register rewards. So in order to use that spend 15, get 3,000 points app booster, you have to spend $15 before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So we do have coupons from the IBC booklet in this transaction. So I'm going to deduct all of that as we go. And then I also had a 2,000 bonus points when you buy whole blends. So for coupons like that, you cannot use points and expect to get the points back. And then I had a $4 register reward, another $4 register reward, and a $3 register reward. So the 4 and the 3 came from the Crest and the Colgate deal, and then the $4 register reward came from last week, and I believe it was for the Colgate deal if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so I bought the whole blends. They're 2 for $7 this week, so they're $3.50 each. I picked up the Purex detergent for $1.99. I picked up the Purex crystals for $1.99. The Orbits are on sale 2 for $2, so it's $1 each. The Starburst was 79 cents on sale, and the Scott Comfort Plus was $5 each. So that makes it a total before coupons, $23.77. Then I had the $2 for the whole blends Wags booklet coupon. So that's the IBC booklet, so you have to scan this coupon right here on page 17. And then I had the $1.25 for the Scott Wags booklet coupon. So that came out twice because I had both products. So you'll only have to scan the coupon once. And you can find that on page 8. So they only have to scan this once. So after the coupons from the IBC booklet, because we have to deduct those because they don't count towards the $15 we need to spend before coupons and after Walgreens coupons. So the total works out to $19.27, and that's the total after the Walgreens booklet coupons. So we met the $15 requirement in order to get the 3,000 points. I used 2 of the $1 off coupons for Scott and scottbrand.com. Now, sometimes they give you a 50-cent, sometimes they give you $1. Reason why I didn't want to use any digital coupons, because sometimes it does mess up the register rewards. So I'm glad I had 2 prints of that. And then we have the $4 off 2 whole blends coupon from our 3-1 RMN. I had the $1 off Purex liquid from the 3-1 RMN. And in the same insert, there's one for the Purex crystals. I had a $4, a $4, and a $3 register reward that I rolled into this. So I had a total of 10 items, right? And I only used 8 manufacturers' coupons. So I honestly did not need the Starburst, but she wanted it, so I just added it to the transaction. So I would have been good with just everything you see here and the Orbit gum. So my total out of pocket was 27 cents, of course, plus tax. But I got back 3,000 points for the app booster and 2,000 points for the bonus coupon for whole blends. So I got back a total of 5,000 points. Now I'm going to show you guys my receipts. Okay, so there goes the whole blends on top, $3.50. $3.50. There goes the $1 off coupon from the IBC booklet. It came off of both of them. There goes the Purex crystals on sale for $1.99 and the Purex liquid for $1.99. There goes the 2 for $2 Orbit gum, so 2 for $2. There goes the Starburst sale, 79 cents. And then there goes the Scott Comfort Plus. There are 2 for, I bought 2 of them for $5 each, making it $10. And $2.50 came off, so $1.25 for each of them came off from the IBC booklet coupons. So there goes that point booster right there. It's $15, right? And you get 3,000 points back. Okay, so I had a $1 off coupon for the Scott Comfort Plus. I had a $1 off coupon for the Scott Comfort Plus right there. There goes the 4 off of 2 for the whole blends. And I don't know why it's showing up as that, but that coupon scanned with no issues. And there goes the 2 for the Purex crystals and the Purex liquid. So there goes the 1 and 1. I rolled a $4, a $4, and a $3 register reward. My subtotal was 27 cents. I had a tax of $1.66, so it made the total $1.93. And as we scroll down, I got back the 5,000 points. So I got back the 3,000 points for spending $15 and the 2,000 points bonus coupon for the whole blends. So what I did in my last transaction is roll it into a Kiss Bomb because we are receiving an $8 coupon, manufacturer coupon for Revlon. So this is basically what that coupon looks like, right here. So it's $8 on your next purchase of Revlon and Almay. So there goes that right there. 5th transaction, I picked up the Revlon Sugar Scrub, and for some reason, the Revlon Sugar Scrub in my area doesn't count towards tax because the register picks it up as a food item. I guess because it has sugar on it. So that's so weird. So $5.99. I used 5,000 points to pay for this, the 5,000 points that I just got back from the 4th transaction, right? And I got back that $8 Revlon Catalina, and it's good on Revlon as well as Almay. So I paid 99 cents out of pocket. So I'm going to show you that receipt really quickly and show you how sad my points are. So Revlon Kiss with Sugar Scrub Kiss Bomb, $5.99. $5.99, no tax, for rolled 5,000 points. And I'm ending with 641 points. So I definitely have to bring those points up with the beauty event that starts tomorrow. So as far as register rewards, I have all of these that I have for the beauty event tomorrow. So I should definitely pick up my points tomorrow with the beauty event. Now there are some changes going on with the beauty event. So make sure you check out My Own Identity, my BFF on here, Michelle, because she's going to have some information because she's been hitting the streets all day. And she did find some valid information on what's going on with this beauty event. Also, we are going to provide breakdowns for you. So she's going to provide some breakdowns for you. I'm going to provide some breakdowns for you. So you guys could be prepared for this beauty event. And you'll have that in the morning for you guys to do some awesome deals. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Now, before I end this video, I wanted to show you guys how to know if your Walgreens has a beauty consultant. So basically, the first thing you're going to do on the app is go to Find Stores. And then you're going to type in your area code. And then you're going to figure out which store you want to pick right there. So once you pick the store, you're going to see here, you go and click on Shopping. So once you click on Shopping, it's going to take you to See All Services. So it says online orders and all that. You click on See All Services, and bam, on the bottom there, it would tell you that there is a beauty consultant at your store. If you guys wanted to obtain that spend 25, get 7,000 points flyer coupon.